Hey everybody, it is DIY Coach Al over here at Lawn Care and Home Repair. Happy New Year to everybody. Happy 2026. Yeah guys, I'm out here playing with my new toy. I got me a drone. I've been wanting to do this for a long time. I think you guys can probably see it circling in the background. My apologies for the noise that it's making. I think I'm going to send him up a little bit higher so he's not as loud. Call him, guys, Isaiah. Yes, that is from the Bible, the eagle-eyed prophet. Hey, Isaiah, you watch him a little higher. Okay, all righty. So Isaiah's going to do her thing. Guys, I've been wanting to get this because I have really wanted to. I'm a hobbyist. I also enjoy doing photography. And this is going to be very helpful for me doing that. Also, it's going to help me bring some, give you guys some better pictures of the lawn. I'm going to put this on camera. We're going to also put a little bit of this B-roll in this video too. But I just wanted to come on, let you guys know how much I have appreciated you guys support this year. It has been a very successful lawn season for me. I hope you guys can say the same thing about you wherever you are. You remember we planted a whole new cultivar, 2 cultivars. We went with the Spreader Elite, the Jonathan Green. No, forgive me, not the Jonathan Green. We went with the GCI. Spreader Elite, type tall fescue in the front, along with the night shift over there at Lawn Life at Jesse's shop in the front. And then in the back, we are 100% Lawn Life, the turf type tall fescue out here. Now, what I'm going to be doing next year is, let me send this drone up a little higher. I'm going to reintroduce some Kentucky bluegrass in the front yard this spring. So that means because I have new cultivar this year, we're going to send this home now. Because I have a new cultivar in both the front and backyard, I could not do a spring pre-emergent, but I'm sorry, a winter pre-emergent, but I will be doing a spring pre-emergent on the backyard. The backyard is where I had the issue with the common Bermuda. So I didn't want to go 2 seasons without doing a pre-emergent there. This is going to cut off shortly, guys. But I'm not going to be doing a pre-emergent in the front yard because I'm going to reintroduce the Kentucky bluegrass out there. What I had out in the front yard before was perennial rye, turf type tall fescue, fine fescue, and the Kentucky bluegrass. So I'm going to reintroduce the Kentucky bluegrass out there. That's the part of the yard that people see. My backyard is fenced in. So I really do want to get something. Now, my understanding is that probably by the next 2 growing seasons, we're going to see that Spreader Elite, that GCI, mature a little more. It is rhizomatic. It does have the ability to repair itself, but Kentucky bluegrass is tried and true. So we know that is going to spread through those rhizomes, and it's going to help to repair, because in this area, we deal a lot with disease pressure. And if you guys remember, last year was just really rough. But like I said, I just wanted to come on, wish you guys a happy 2026. And, I want you guys to leave me some comments. Let me know what you do in your off season when you're not out there in the lawn. Like you guys know, by profession, I'm a psychotherapist, so I'll still be working. I also have a number of home projects that I'm still working on. I did finish doing the tiling in 2 parts of my house. I'll throw some footage up here so you guys see what that looks like. I do have another tiling project I'm going to be doing. Actually, tomorrow I'll be headed up to Pittsburgh. If it doesn't snow. My bestie lives up there, and she's putting some cabinets in, so I'll be going up there to help her do that. But this spring, upcoming spring, I'm looking forward to reintroducing the Kentucky bluegrass into my lawn. I'm not sure, since I have used the GCI, since I have used the Lawn Life, I know that they are proven, so I'll probably go with one of them. But the other thing that I'm going to try to do, I did get some new equipment. I'm actually shooting this video on my DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I'd heard such good things about it, and it does free me up not to have to film so much on my phone. I actually dropped my phone and broke it shooting a video last year, and that meant I lost my camera and my phone at the same time. So in addition to getting the drone, I went ahead and got me a new camera. The other thing, guys, that I'm thinking about doing, I'd really like to gift myself a zero turn. You guys know that little mama has been with me since the beginning. She is in it to win it, and she has just really been instrumental. But I was talking to Devin, the DIY lawn coach. It may have been on his podcast, but I was telling him how much I've just envied that zero turn. And yeah, I'm thinking about getting that, but I'm also thinking about switching to the battery platform with the mower. And they tend to be expensive. So if you guys pray for Pastor Al, then maybe God will make it so that I can get a zero turn. I'd really like to introduce that into my lawn equipment. I'm not going to go into debt trying to get it, but I'd really like to get one. So yeah, I'm going to try to get that. I'm going to reintroduce the Kentucky Bluegrass into my lawn in the front yard. I'm going to do that this spring. That will allow me to do my pre-emergent, my spring pre-emergent out here in the backyard. And then maybe for the fall, I'll reintroduce it back here. I can say I've been so satisfied with both of the new cultivars that I have out here. Guys, this is the time to really start planning for what you want to do during the spring. I went into Lowe's and Home Depot and I found some lawn care products that were on clearance, on sale. So if you guys need to get you some more product, this would be the good time of the year to do that. But hey, you guys leave me some feedback. Let me know what you're going to be doing during this winter. It's cold. We've already had several inches of snow, which is kind of unusual for us. It's up here in Maryland, at least for the last couple of years. We haven't had it snow like this, especially before Christmas. But yeah, I got some projects that I'm going to be working on. I did write my third book. And I'll put some footage of that up there. So I'm going to be promoting that third book. I have some things I have to do with that. I've already written my fourth book, which will come out in probably late summer this year, early fall this year. I hope you guys will support me over there on that. But I stay busy, guys. I'm 59 years old. God has given me the ability to do these things. I'm so grateful. I will next week or 2 weeks from now, I'll be having the surgery on this shoulder. I had the surgery on this shoulder 2 years ago. So I am taking it easy, which is another reason why I'm also thinking about that zero turn. The lawn tractor has been good, but when I'm trying to maneuver in tight spaces, it takes a little more effort to do that. So like I said, you guys pray for me and maybe God will make it happen. I just want to really also take this time to thank Jesse over at Lawn Life for the collaboration. Devin, I'm a man, I really appreciate you for the collaboration that we did. And we also did with my man over there, Elevated Lawnscapes, Cameron. Really appreciate that, man. I'm looking forward to doing some more collabs next year. But I am praying that you guys have a magnificent 2026. This will probably be the last video that I'll post on this channel for this season. You guys come and check me out over there on my other channel, Mental Matters FYI. I'll throw probably something up here in the video so you guys can go over there and check that out. You guys know I'm all about helping people and I would really appreciate your support. If you watch my channel, you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate you becoming a subscriber. Hey, turf mechanic, lawn rookie, Miss Trucker. I can't really get into calling all the names, but you guys know I love interacting with you. Want to get some feedback from you guys about what you're doing. Everybody who watches, let me know what you're doing during this off season. You guys know what I love to tell you. If at all possible, even if you have to go out of your way, reach down and help pick somebody else up. I promise you there's no feeling in life greater than the feeling of knowing that you have helped somebody who can't help you in return. Reject hate too, guys. We are a multicultural society. I watched that movie years ago, Robin Hood with Kevin Costner, and the little boy asked the character, why did God paint your face black? And he just looked at him and said, because God likes variety. So we are all one, guys. Make sure you are not putting somebody else down to lift yourself up. And if nobody has told you, let me be the first to tell you, in 2026, from this retired pastor's heart to yours, I really do love you. You guys be blessed, stay blessed. And I'm going to see you in a few months, because I cannot wait to see all these lawns come out of dormancy so we can get it on and popping, guys. Be blessed.